This is the ORICO 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. This is the DD25, as you see. Thank you from ORICO for sending this one. I really appreciate that. This is a tool-less, so there's no tools needed to disassemble and reassemble. This is built with aluminum alloy, and yes, you can put hard drives and SSDs, as we will test here in just one moment, alongside with some real-world transfer speeds from my computer. We will put some files in and take files out and see how fast that is. And let me just open it real quick. Okay, now it is open, and really nice packaging, by the way. I really like that. Good job on that part. And here is the drive enclosure. Whoa, this thing is quite hefty. It has some weight to it. This is the packaging. Looks really premium, by the way. Really, really premium. Let me take it out quick. Wow, that actually looks really good. That's some air vent right there. Really nice, especially if you put physical drives. Yes, you need those air vents. All aluminum all around, as you see. And here is our release. That's why it's toolless. There's a little button right here. That's your USB-C connection. You pull this tab or button like that and push. As you see, now it comes out. It is that easy. And you place whichever drive you like, either a physical drive that's with a spindle or an SSD drive. It fits both of them. It's regular SATA. Let me just try this one really quick. And just like that, as you see, it fits perfectly right there. You push it in, and now it is ready to go. And it has these supports right here on the bottom. Really nice, so it doesn't rattle around. And you just place it back in the enclosure. The aluminum piece that really feels high quality. Let me take this out real quick and test another one. Well, this time we're gonna put the SSD really quick, which of course it will fit just like the other one. Boom. Wow. This actually feels premium, looks premium. It's all machined aluminum. Really beautiful. I put it back in there and you hear that click. That is very satisfying. Do we have anything else in the box? Right here. Yep, we have the dual USB and the manual if we need to. It's right here. I don't really think I need it because I've done so many of these. And the USB is dual, meaning it's either USB-C to USB-C, as you see here. You can connect it to your laptop or computer via USB-C, or even to your phone. Yes, you can connect these to your phone, or you can plug in the USB 3, as you see right here, on top of it, and it goes to a normal USB from the enclosure right here. This is really beautifully designed, really well built and made. And now for a few tests of actual speeds on a computer. Okay, so let's plug in the drive really quick. Okay, this is our drive, PNY. Before we do a data transfer, let's go ahead with two tests with AJA Video Systems and Blackmagic Disk Speed Test. And PNY is here selected. Let's start. So as I said before, the data speeds will depend on your disk too, but the enclosure is capable of doing it up to 6 gigabytes per second. As you see, this drive that I have inside is only 422 megabytes per second. Let me go to the Blackmagic tester. This one will give us a different result maybe. PNY. Select folder, and we're gonna start the test. Yep, it's exactly the same test. And after that, I will plug a different drive that will make us see different results. So I can stop this now because it's already good and done. Let me plug a different drive so you'll see the difference and what I'm saying. And let's test the speed on this one. Boom. Almost 3 gigabit per second. Just what I said. It all depends on the drive you're testing it on. So now let's try a real-world folder transfer, whatever you want to call that. Okay, and this file is almost 800 megabytes. So we'll just drop it. And as you see, 800 megabytes, boom, just like that. And we'll test this 800 megabytes. Let me delete this file here to pull it out of here and drop it to our computer. As you saw, there was 0 time. There was no weight at all. Let me delete it from here. Boom, gone. And let me transfer it again. As you see, in seconds. This is perfect. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, this actually is fast. So if you have a faster SSD to put on this enclosure, this will do it up to 6 gigabytes without a single problem at all. So yeah, you saw it yourself. Absolutely a beautiful drive, as you see, with a USB-C, or if you connect it to a mobile phone with a USB-C, really, it just works good and it does absolutely amazing. This one is the 6 gigabit per second, as you see right there. Yep, that is the Type-C, 6 gigabit per second, 2.5-inch drive, whether it's a SATA or a hard drive. In my opinion, this is one of the best designs on these enclosures I've seen in a very, very long time. Again, thank you to ORICO for sending this out. I absolutely appreciate it, and I'm absolutely going to enjoy using it.